Okay, I'm going to do a short recording here, show you how to trigger an MVIM mobile inspection that's over here on the right. That inspection, I'm screen mirroring my phone here, MVIM mobile. The inspection that we want to trigger is called tape measure, and it's over on this phone. Both devices here are connected to MQTT broker. In this case, it's HiveMQ. Okay, so on the phone, what you got to have set up is you'll see the broker that we've got here, servers HiveMQ, and I'm just using a public broker, broker.hivemq.com. Okay. All right, so that's now connected to the broker, and then what you'll notice is on the device itself, you'll have location details. Location of this device is EDS. Device name is VZ3. So you see here on the PowerPoint, location is EDS, device name is VZ3. That is important because when you want to send a MQTT trigger, that EDS and VZ3 is part of the MQTT topic that you'll see here. So you'll see here is IBM VI /take photo /EDS /VZ3. And then the payload has to be very specific as well. It needs to have a date, needs to have a reference in there, and then needs to include the trigger. The string for the trigger needs to be, if you look in the phone over here, it says tape measure. It needs to be this text right here. It says trigger string is tape. All right. So now what I'm going to do is, once you got your device set up, you put it into auto capture mode. And it's simply just pushing the camera button at the top and say start auto capture. Right now it's just looking at my keyboard. All right, now what we do is we go to whatever your favorite way to send MQTT messages is. But there's some apps that you can download on mobile phones. If you're using a laptop, you can simply use something like MQTT Explorer. And what you'll see here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish an MQTT message. Here's the topic that you saw in the PowerPoint. It's IBM VI /take photo /EDS /VZ3. And if you look at the payload of that message that I'm going to publish, it's got a date, it's got a reference, and it's got trigger. And in here is trigger is tape. So what you watch now is when I hit this publish button, you're going to see this message be consumed on MVIM mobile right here next to this little connector. And it will take a photo. It's going to take a photo of my keyboard. Let's publish that message. You see up here it says trigger tape. It just did image collect. I'm going to reposition my phone, and I'm going to look over at a different object, and I'm going to hit the publish button. Okay. My phone right now is looking at nothing. So then no matter where I point my phone, if I'm going to do collection, it will always take a picture. Right? So if I want to publish another one, I've just taken a bunch of pictures of my messy desk. Okay. Where are all these going? They are going to the data set that is associated with the inspection on MVIM mobile. So I'll show you that in here in a second. There's the tape measure project. There's my trigger string. The data set where I'm taking these pictures are tape measure collect. And so on the server, you'll see tape measure collect has all those photos that I just took. Okay. Alrighty. I use MQTT Explorer a lot. If you want to use a mobile device, there's MQTT Tool that you can download from any app store. MQTT Easy is another one I have used before. Anyway, that's it. Thank you.